Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. Gold price analysis XAU USD sinks on firmer US dollar tones and the FOMC http ntvforex.com news ID 9C8DD5 2 minutes ago by Ross J. Berland. Gold, correlated to the US stock market, is under pressure. NBSP following the FOMC minutes. US stocks have moved to the edge of a cliff as the FOMC looks like NBSP a rabbit in the headlights. The Federal Open Market Committee minutes, which have highlighted that NBSP accommodative stance of monetary policy likely needed for some time, portrays a lack of conviction which has upset financial markets. The greenback, which has been positioned in the highest levels of shorts since 2017, has caught a bid on the event, weighing heavily on the price of gold. NBSP ahead of the minutes, DXY was trading at 92.69 and in the aftermath, it broke into the 93 level to score a fresh recovery high of 93.03. NBSP gold, on the other hand, was at $1,966 and has since fallen to a low of $1,934.84, down over 3.17% on the day. NBSP FOMC sends stocks to NBSP the edge of the cliff. Within the text of the minutes, markets picked up on a reluctance to control the yield curve. This has given the U.S. Treasury yields a boost and in turn, has helped to sink gold. Gold and the U.S. stock market had NBSP been positively correlated since November of last year until August 6's drop in the gold price. However, one of the most pronounced pairings can be seen when the stock market crashed in March. Gold also tumbled as stock market margin calls lead to the liquidation of longs in the yellow metal. The FOMC, if seen to be putting a cautionary pause on the prospects of yield curve control, could well have spelt out a meaningful correction for both stock markets and gold, throwing a lifeline to the US dollar. NBSP meanwhile, analysts at TD Securities note that with 93% of momentum signals long on average over the past 60 days, the upside momentum in gold is extreme. The risk of a deeper pullback was previously elevated, but macro headwinds are once again turning to tailwinds, which could keep the extreme momentum in place for some time longer. It's hard to call the top in momentum. Gold levels. NBSP overview today. Last price 1935.44 today. Daily change 67.06 today. Daily change percent 3.35 today. Daily open 2002.5 NBSP trends. Daily SMA 20 1967.02 daily SMA 50 1851.18 daily SMA 100 1775.97 daily SMA 200 1659.69 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 2015.65 previous daily low 1976.1 previous weekly high 2049.96 previous weekly low 1863.24 previous monthly high 1984.8 previous monthly low 1757.7 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 2000.54 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 1991.21 daily pivot point S1 1980.52 daily pivot point S2 1958.53 daily pivot point S3 1940.97 daily pivot point R1 2020.07 daily pivot point R2 2037.63 daily pivot point R3 2059.62 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me mt5.expert.advisors.